you doing, guys? Today we're going to be actual dressage riders and use the book. The actual book. This is 101 dressage exercises. So we're going to be doing this today. But first, we're going to start with a warm-up. Johnny has been in his stall a lot because it's been raining. So he's probably got a lot of energy. Yeah, all he wants to do right now is run. So let's get that out of his system. Gotta work both sides, so we're switching to do the other direction. Where should we start? How about exercise 1? First thing you're gonna do is the oval. You gotta have a lot of energy on the straightaways, then slow down on the curves, keep it nice and round, and don't go deep into the corners. This is a warm-up exercise, so her and the horse can kind of like mesh well right now, and she should be practicing using her hips to turn the horse rather than her reins. We've already played around with that whole idea a couple weeks ago, and really about just doing it over and over again until you get it right. So warm-up time. All right, start at A. Slow it down just a little bit. There you go. All right, that was pretty easy. Let's do something a little more challenging. Let's try needlepoint. This is where she starts at M, trots all the way up to B, does a little turn, comes back around, does a large circle at C, then goes up to E, turns around and comes all the way back to C. That's how we play. He had way too much energy for that. He was like a complete 100% saddle seat horse. I don't know what was happening. He cantered from like at S. He cantered. It was bad. It was a start though. We're definitely gonna try and turn him into a somewhat dressage horse. Hopefully over the summer. I think they worked pretty hard today. It's time to cool down and pick this up again tomorrow. She is riding bareback, so that is a lot of work and it's a lot of muscle in your legs. So yeah, come on, hit it. Yeah. It's a new day and we are still working on learning some new techniques. I brought Spirit for a little visual. The oval is pretty simple. We just make a large oval shape. However, for needlepoint, you gotta go up, loop around, come back, do a circle right there in the middle, go up the side, loop around again, come back, and you're done. All right, got it? Yeah, I got it. Great. Let's just get him out of the field and get him all cleaned up. Has turned. It is definitely cooler today than it was the other day, which means that Johnny's gonna have a lot more energy, so we have to be sure to lunge before we start riding. You know, you've been lunging for a while. I think he's good. I want to make sure that he's good for you. Wait, what do you mean for me? I'm tired, so you're riding Johnny today. You're joking, right? She's joking, right? She wasn't joking! I have some horseback riding experience, just not a lot with Johnny or bareback. Today should be relatively easy. We're just gonna practice gaits and those 2 exercises. And I'm gonna keep her on a lunge line. Cause I don't trust her. So alright, let's do this. So how do we start? So toes in first of all. What's going on? Okay, that's good. You did good before I could correct you. This isn't saddle seat so you can relax. What's wrong with you? Fix this! This is not saddle seat. Wrap your legs around them.
Wrap your legs around them.
Yes. Yes. Not like that.
Like what?
Like comfortably.
This is not comfortable.
Oh my gosh. Just sit on the horse. Don't, no saddle seat hands. What's going on? No saddle seat hands.
Okay, hands down.
Relax.
Hands
Shoulders down. No, shoulders down doesn't mean slouch. You just want to look relaxed, but not lazy. No, you look slow. What's wrong with you? Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and start because he's getting fidgety. We're gonna trot. She is riding bareback, so she might hate this. I got used to it, but she's gonna hate it. Okay, we're gonna try to trot.
Okay.
Okay. Trot. You tell him to do the.
Reins are so loose. How do
Then shorten your reins if they're too loose. Tell him to gate. Come on, I need you to. I only have him on a line. Oh.
Whoa.
Now I'm gonna take you off the line, and we can try the oval, half circle. Okay.
What?
You don't click. Use your legs. You want to press your inside leg against him to make him round. Don't use your reins to do that, because you want to have your reins for like emergency purposes. But inside leg, get him out from over in this little circle. Inside leg. Press more. As hard as you can. He has to look like a banana. Okay? Like a banana. There you go. But he shouldn't move off of the... Yes, where you steer. Steer.
Okay, this is so difficult. You told me not to use my reins, and I'm supposed to steer with my hips, but then do it, but then it's a little bit, and then there's a banana thrown in, and I'm just like, what?
You are supposed to use your reins, just not so obvious. Like you want to like squeeze the reins instead of having to move your arm more. Like saddle seat too. You know, saddle seat. You didn't want to make it look like you were doing anything. You just want to look up there. You just want to look like you were sitting on the horse. Make it pay attention to you. Try the circle one more time and trot. Trot. Tell him to trot. What are you doing?
I'm trying to turn around and get on the rail.
That's not how you get on the rail. Now trot. Trot now. Squeeze with your legs. Trot. You finally, okay. We gotta try. You couldn't keep it. What do you? Oh my god. You're running. You don't want to whoa, because that'll stop him. You want to sit and slow him down.
The oval is not happening.
How was that? We didn't do 2 exercises because we could barely get through one. But we did do 2 gaits, so 3/4 done. Oh my You're such a noob.
Yeah, I'm done for the day. That was enough for Johnny and for me and for the world, because that oval is just not happening. So we are gonna try one more new exercise today, and it's called the Whoa and Go. Good morning, Johnny. You ready to try something new today? It's pretty hot, so I don't think we're gonna be out here very long.
For this exercise, we have to do a working walk around the arena, and then when we get back to A, you do a working trot, and then you halt for like 6 seconds, and then you have to do a canter, a 2 canter, like a circle, 20-meter circle, and you canter that twice, and then you probably halt again. Then you do it over again.
They've warmed up and are ready to start the exercise. So when you're ready, you can start at A. Let's just do half the arena though, because it is very, very warm today, and I'm sure he could use a little bit of a break. Starting at A. I believe that's supposed to be a walk. Yeah, so, all right, we're gonna try that one again. When you're ready to start at A. Take 2, working walk. Lots of energy. When she gets back to A, she's supposed to halt for 6 seconds. Let's see if she remembers. There's A. Let's see if she halts. Yeah, she did it. Good job. Now she's got to canter a circle. And we're having some trouble picking up that canter. All right, let's try again. It's all right. You can try again when you're ready. Missed it again. Got it. Looks like you had some trouble getting that canter from a halt.
It's definitely something we need to work at. Do you want to give it a try?
No, that is quite all right. I learned my lesson after my many failed attempts the other day. Couldn't even do the oval, which was warm-up number 1. But as with anything, I think my horseback riding will get better with practice. Eventually, I'll be able to walk in a somewhat oval.
And I am going to be able to canter from a halt. We're going to go over that in my next lesson.
Thank you for joining us for this Fabsome Horses.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at my Froggy Stuff and the Frog Blog.
And we will see you next time. Bye!